cover yan siya ng couch. Cover ng couch. And this is pang stickers, parang strainers, ang tawag dyan, protector ng shower. So, shower. And this is more tray. Anong tawag dyan? Side section tray para sa bathroom. Ganito. Mga abubot. Sana okay naman. And lastly, this is the parang ano ba ito? Yung parang tray siguro ito. Maganda nga siya. So, ito na lang. Tada! Kanto siya. Turn. Very good. Let's eat because it is raining. Meron tayong sabaw. Niluto ko to kahapon habang ka-video call ko yung mama ko. Sarap ng sabaw. Nilagang baka. Kain tayo. Ang init. This is my Monday lunch. Lunch break muna. And it's cozy. Umuulan. Dalhin ko kayo sa aking balcony na merong malunggay. Surviving ang aking malunggay. Diba guys? Ay, malunggay. Please survive. Pinapaulanan ko siya. Kain muna tayo kasi lunch break only tayo for today. Lunch break lang. Kain muna tayo. Last recipe. I made it. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Thank you, HelloFresh. Good morning. I woke up 5:20 because my office shift starts at 8 o'clock today. And he's a little fit. Check. Simple. It fits nicely. You know where it is from. And just this Uniqlo pants galing pa ng Pinas. Okay, let's start today. I have to show you guys my office, work at home office station. I'm walking guys. Ito yung mga kapitbahay namin. Walking to train station. Walang katao-tao. Ako lang naglalakad. Walang taong naglalakad. Ay, meron isa, si Kuya. Maganda kasi malamig-lamig. 6 minutes. Maganda dito guys kasi pag may disruption, malayo pa, sinasabi na nila. And this is Wednesday dinner na guys. I will cook these pork ribs yung nabili ko last time sa Coles. Mabilis lang itong lutuin. At para na din kumain yung isa.
this was all happening, we both got married.
Not for life.
I'll be scarred for life. She's 93. If she lives to 100, she's only been scarred for 7% of her life.
About in bed all day. Get out, open the curtains, enjoy the sun while you can. Your mum?
For what?
Oh. Sorry. Stan was my husband.
Grocery with me with schools. Trying to leave green. And so here guys, I'm trying to leave green na. So dito sa aking pinag-grocery ngayon is mga greens na vegetables and that. Kaya tatry na din natin mag-salad. And yung ihahalo ko sa aking mga gulay-gulay is etong giniling. Mura lang wag na nating computein in peso. Ito kasing mga quick sale, madali lang yung expiration date, malapit na kaya di ako dyan. I found it. Sana nga masaya. Masaya yan siguro. We'll see. Haluin na natin lahat yan. Huwag lang din natin i-over sauce kasi baka naman siya masyadong madami. Oh, it looks so good. Really good. So, yung natutunan nating recipe sa HelloFresh ay atin nang gagawin ngayon without the HelloFresh help subscription. Kasi you can buy naman yung mga ingredients din sa grocery. This is just from Kohl's. At syempre, mas tipid kasi mas mura, walang subscription and delivery. Isa ito sa aking nabili last Sunday. Oh, anong last Sunday? Yesterday lang pala. After my exercise, gawa tayo neto. Since nakapag-rest na, and then malapit na ding maluto ang aking sweet potato na bake ko lang sa oven. Let's try. Kuha muna tayo ng tinidor. Dun, 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 the moment of truth. Let's try this. Really good. Gusto ko. Gusto ko siya. I have my salad ready. Kakain din si Grant niyan pagka dating. Siguro, titikman niya muna. Yummy, yummy.